Good morning, guys. Today we will learn about Scratch. In so short video, I will tell you about so interesting thing. Today we will learn our cat will move by itself. Come on. First we will go on events and click flag and do it a little bigger so we're able to see it. Alright. Then we'll go on motion and click move 10 steps. Then we will go on control and take forever. No, not forever. Repeat 10. And then we will go on looks and next costume and done. Then we will go on motion again and here it is. If on edge bonus. Alright, now we need a sound. We will go on sound. Oh, no, we'll go on sound. And our sound is already chosen. Let's change the costume too. Let's make the cat black. No, this will help. It's a black cat. Alright, now are you ready? Let's do it a little big so it's able to see. Why isn't it moving? Oh, it moved. Wow! The color came orange. I like it. I wish you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your family and friends. Bye. Take care.